Hello, and welcome to the 2023 ANA Innovation Awards sponsored by Stryker. I'm Debbie Hatmaker, Chief Nursing Officer of the ANA Enterprise. We are excited to be celebrating nursing innovation and honoring the work nurses are leading to improve healthcare. Our mission at ANA is to lead the profession to shape the future of nursing and healthcare, and these awards help us do just that. The 2023 Innovation Award winners exemplify the incredible capacity of nurses to drive innovative change across healthcare. Our ANA Nursing Innovation team is elevating the creative and innovative work of nurses who are ensuring better care and advancing the work of our profession. We support both individuals and organizations to advance the nursing profession. We advocate for nursing at the state and national levels, including our international partnerships to advance nursing. The ANA Innovation Awards highlight, recognize, and celebrate nurse-led innovations that improve care and safety. These awards are presented to an individual nurse and one nurse-led team whose product, program, project, or practice best exemplify nurse-led innovation. All applications go through a two-tiered peer review process. The winners are given funding to support further development of their innovations. Our sponsorship of the awards comes from our long-standing partner, Stryker, who has repeatedly shown their commitment and support to nurses and the nursing profession. Stryker was founded on the premise that a single person and their ideas can change healthcare for the better. Their generous sponsorship allows us to advance innovation and nurse innovators together. We are excited to have you join us today as we continue to support nursing innovation and to acknowledge, nurture, and empower nurses. Now it's my pleasure to introduce you to Olivia Limburger, ANA's Innovation Strategist.
Thank you, Debbie. Before we announce the 2023 winners, here's an update from our 2022 winners and how their innovations have progressed over the last year. The 2022 ANA Innovation Award winners were Community Pop-Ups, A Rural Approach, and the ReadyStick Wearable Task Trainer. Dr. Kashida Jackson won the 2022 Individual Award for Community Pop-Ups. These healthcare pop-ups address healthcare gaps in locations of need in Eastern North Carolina. They have evolved health screenings to provide vaccinations, mental health resources, employment opportunities, access to fresh produce and proteins with community partners including exercise, dietary guidance, and laundry services. Pop-ups have been held in baseball fields, farms, parks, and tobacco fields during non-traditional hours to make it easier for people to attend while simultaneously building trust and improving community engagement. In a short period of time, these services have now expanded to offer an additional backpack program providing over 1,792 weekend meals to children in rural Eastern North Carolina. And Michael Pickett and the team from ReadyStick Wearable Task Trainer won the 2022 Team Award for their training tools to teach peripheral intravenous, portacath, and central venous catheter care and maintenance. Since winning, the ReadyStick team has been working to expand awareness through publications, meetings with executive leaders, governance councils, and at national conferences. The team continues to discover novel ways to utilize the wearable trainers, which include trainer donations to nursing schools and clinics in sub-Saharan Africa. The team is sponsoring a simulation fellow in Argentina, and the devices have been used locally, nationally, and internationally to educate patients and families. Congratulations to the 2022 winners for such an incredible year. We know that you will continue to advance this work successfully into the future. Now I'd like to welcome our partners from Stryker, whose thought leadership and generous support helped to make the ANA Innovation Awards possible. Jessica Matheson is the VP and General Manager for Acute Care, and Scott Sagehorn is the Senior Director of Marketing for Acute Care. Jessica and Scott are joining us today from Stryker headquarters in Portage, Michigan.
Hello, everyone. What an honor to be here today, surrounded by the most innovative nurses in the country. On behalf of Stryker, Jessica and I want to say congratulations and thank you to every single one of you, and especially the 2023 winners, for the ways that you're making healthcare better. We're proud to partner with the ANA to sponsor the Innovation Award because, like the ANA, Stryker is passionate about advancing healthcare through innovation, and we know it's crucial for nurses to be at the forefront of that mission. Our respect, admiration, and gratitude for the nurse community runs deep, and this partnership is our small way of giving back to a group of professionals that has given so much to us over the last 80 years. And one thing is for sure, each of these Innovation Award recipients knows what it means to go above and beyond in their field. These are the folks who see a problem and don't wait to go find a solution. They think outside the box and they do what it takes to deliver the best care possible, inspiring everyone around them to do the same. It is truly humbling to be here today, celebrating the incredible work of these talented individuals.
That's right, Scott. Just like today's winners, Stryker has a rich history of innovation. In fact, our founder, Dr. Homer Stryker, who was an orthopedic surgeon in Kalamazoo, Michigan, said, "If your tools don't work, make them work. If you can't make them work, make some that do." And that's just what he did. He was still in medical school when he started tinkering in his workshop. And within a few short years, he had invented a rubber heel for walking cast, a unique hospital bed that reduced blood clots and skin problems in bedridden patients, and a specialized saw that cut through cast without cutting a patient's skin. Talk about innovation. For Dr. Stryker, that was only the beginning. He never stopped creating innovative new medical devices, sometimes working on them late at night in the hospital basement after seeing patients all day. In 1958, he developed his masterpiece, the Serco electric bed, which is still in use at some hospitals today. And more than 80 years since his first breakthrough product, Dr. Stryker's inventive and creative mindset is still at the heart of everything we do. In our business, much like yours, we have the privilege of seeing innovation change lives every day, which is why it means so much to us to partner with ANA to celebrate and support these outstanding nurses as they continue to carve out their own legacies. So once again, congratulations. We know this is only the beginning for you, and we can't wait to see all the ways you continue to make healthcare and the world around you better. And now, back to Olivia, who will share the 2023 ANA Innovation Honorable Mentions.
The individual applicant honorable mention goes to Robin Austin, who designed and developed a mobile application called My Strengths, My Health to enable a comprehensive whole-person health assessment that includes social and behavioral determinants of health from the individual's perspective. We congratulate Robin. The team applicant honorable mention goes to Denise Hopkins Chadwick for her innovative work, Nurses Set the Standard in Psychedelic Use for Mental Wellness. She is using a nurse-led practice model to address mental health with emerging therapies. We congratulate this team. And a special innovation team honorable mention highlights the work of Sherry Wilson, who developed school-to-career linkages, strengthening the nursing pipeline, a national online health careers pathway for grades 6 through 12 that addresses nursing workforce capacity and diversity gaps using a multi-pronged approach to reach thousands of diverse students across nearly 40 states. We would like to share a special thank you to this team for their work. Now for what we've all been waiting for, the 2023 ANA Innovation Awards with Oriana Baudet.
Thank you, Olivia. And thank you, Jess and Scott. We are grateful for the opportunity to work together to continue shining the light on nurse-led innovations through the ANA Innovation Awards. We're excited to celebrate this event once again with you. The 5th annual ANA Innovation Awards are sponsored by Stryker and are supported by the American Nurses Foundation, and we thank them both. We have the unique privilege to support every nurse who applies to the ANA Innovation Awards. And reviewing the applications left me with a profound sense of pride for these nurses and the work being done by nurses across our country to improve health and healthcare. We are happy to announce the 2023 ANA Innovation Award and $25,000 prize to the Good Clinic, an innovative primary care model that centers around the science of nursing and new nursing models. Based in Minnesota with an accessible, client-centered approach, strategic use of nurse practitioners, and whole person care model for people 12 and older, the Good Clinic wellness plans are customized to each patient's goals and lifestyle. The thoughtfully designed clinics make clients feel relaxed and welcome during their visit. Described by clients as spa-like and not your typical doctor's office, experienced nurse practitioners partner with patients called clients to map out their wellness goals. This nursing model provides support and care options for clients to successfully manage their health. For easier access and reduced travel time, clinics are positioned in densely populated neighborhoods, often on the ground floor of mixed-use apartment complexes. The Good Clinic offers same-day, next-day, and virtual care appointments. We are proud to share the individual ANA Innovation Award for 2023 will go to Kevin Lee Smith of the Good Clinic. Congratulations, Kevin. Absolutely, congratulations.
Congratulations.
And the 2023 ANA Innovation Team Award with a $50,000 prize goes to McMurray Enhanced Airway. This device maintains and stabilizes airways and supports ventilations to ensure first responders and surgical teams can keep patients breathing while preventing airway obstructions. The McMurray Enhanced Airway is the first distal pharyngeal airway indicated for oral use for upper airway obstruction, to provide apneic oxygenation during intubation, or to provide intraoral ventilation during difficult mask ventilation. On average, today's patients are older, heavier, and more likely to have obstructive sleep apnea than previous generations, which heightens the risk factors for airway complications. With the growth of outpatient surgeries, these patients are more likely to undergo procedures using deep sedation where distal pharyngeal tissue can relax, obstructing the airway. As a result, there is an urgent need for airway tools that can stent open distal pharyngeal tissues to maintain adequate ventilation. It is also increasingly important for nurses and anesthesia providers to maintain the airway, balance effective sedation, and pain management in all patient populations. The distal pharyngeal airway was designed to help maintain a patient's upper airway and improve safety, which includes patient comfort and provider peace of mind. Representing her nurse-led team, the 2023 ANA Innovation Award is going to Roxanne McMurray for the McMurray Enhanced Airway. Congratulations, Roxanne and the McMurray team. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So exciting. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Across the ANA enterprise, we are working to make the innovative work of nurses visible. There are 4.3 million nurses across our country. As nurses innovate, we push back against what's not working in healthcare and the status quo. Nurses know how to return health to healthcare. Today, we celebrate these winners, but we also celebrate our profession. If you have an idea or need support to advance your innovations, please reach out to our team. Nurses are our nation's most valuable resource. We see you and we thank you. And again, we would like to thank our sponsor, Stryker. And to all of you, thank you. Thank you for joining us today and for being a part of the ANA innovation community. And don't forget to add June 1st to your calendars because this is when the 2024 applications open.